Hi, I am Rahul Shah and I am ready to reveal the only training program you will ever need to build your own Forex millionaire portfolio. Join me at the Lazy Millionaire Summit on 24th January 5 pm. Click on the link in the description to block your free spot.
Hello viewers, welcome to the Fast Profits Daily. Myself Brijesh Bhatia. In this video, I'll be discussing one asset class where you should keep a watch for a longer term point of view. It's the commodity asset class. I'll share the two widely tracked, I would say the index, which is very much important for a commodity investor or commodity trader. The first is Thomson Reuters Commodity Index. So if you look at the chart over here, this is Thomson Reuters Commodity Index. And if I look at the weightage, the index is formed with the weightage of energy around 39%, agri around 41%, precious metals with around 7%, and industrial metals somewhere around 13%. So if you look at the chart over here, the previous, which was between 1997 to 2003, it took 69 months to break out in 2003, and since 2003 to 2008 we saw a huge rally into the commodity space. Again, it was largely led by crude oil, which went to the three-digit mark. But since then, since 2008, it continued to flow onto the negative side. It went on to the southwards journey, and the every time we have seen that lower high lower low structures being built, I would say since around July 2008, and since then for the first time in 2021, precisely at 69 months again, we witnessed the breakdown which happened, and the breakout which happened now in 2021. Again, it took around 69 months. And if you look at 1997 to 2003, where the breakout happened, we saw a huge chunk of rally. The momentum was very fast and furious. Though I'm not expecting that the momentum will be so fast and furious for next 3, 4, 5 years. But yes, the breakout is very strong. And looking at the momentum, I would definitely look at the commodity space into my bucket. And once the money start flowing over there, that could be an exciting watch. My second chart is S&P Goldman Sachs Commodity Index, which is generally known as S&P GSCI. And if you look at this chart, okay, just looking at the weightage first, energy consists of around 61-62%, led by WTI sweet crude, which is somewhere around 25%, followed by Brent crude, which is somewhere around 18%. Industrial metals, which is somewhere around 11%, followed by agri, which is around 16%, and the livestock, which is around 7.25%. Precious metal is not there into this S&P Goldman Sachs Commodity Index. If you look at the structure over here, since 2008 when the fall started, okay, it was forming lower high lower low structure like we saw in Thomson Reuters Commodity Index. And in 2021, for the first time, it broke the lower high lower low structure over here. And this is very much exciting for me because the two widely tracked commodity index, Thomson Reuters and S&P, both are breaking out very crucial lower high lower low structure. And we might see the rally coming into the commodity space. The only concern for me over here is the fund flow. If you look at the fund flow, it's basically moving into the equities. There are no, if you look at the US commodity ETFs, we haven't seen any ETFs, the fund flow going into the ETFs on the commodity space, be it the oil, be it the bullions, be it the silver, industrial metals. So I think I'll wait for a trigger over there when the fund flow starts into these ETF. You should definitely look for some of this space over here. If you are an equity trader and investor, you should definitely look for the agri and the energy space, because if you look at Thomson Reuters, agree somewhere around 41%. If you look at the S&P Goldman Sachs index, they agree somewhere around 16-17%. So I think fund might flow into the agri space as well, and the agri companies which are directly benefiting from the rising commodity prices could be a beneficial over there. So you can focus on those stocks as well into the equity space. But definitely one should look at this asset class from a next 2 to 4 years horizon, and if we just track if the fund flow starts moving into the commodity space, we might see this commodity triggering a good bullish rally into the coming weeks. So before I sign off, in case you think these videos are helping you, do comment about your views into the comment space, and do not forget to click onto the like button. Signing off, Brijesh Bhatia.
The way you pick stocks, the way you build your portfolio, and the way you make money in the markets will change radically and immediately. That's my guarantee. Click here to reserve your free spot for the Lazy Millionaire Summit. See you there.